So now for this experiment you will need a tissue and a jar or a glass that's filled with water, and you have to make sure that the jar is having curved edges, not sharp edges. So friends, now let's move on to the experiment. So friends, for the experiment, first you have to take a jar or a glass of water and you have to make sure that the water is filled until the top of the jar. After it is filled, you have to make sure that the edges of the jar should be curved. Then you have to take a tissue and fold it into half. Then you have to place the tissue on the jar and press the edges to make sure that the tissue is perfectly attached with the edges of the jar. Then you have to wait for 5 seconds. Then you have to tilt the jar. When you tilt the jar, you will see that water does not fall down from the jar. Only few drops of water falls down and the jar isn't emptied. So friends, this was the experiment. Now let's move on to the explanation. When you first turn the cup upside down, the pressure of the air inside the cup and the pressure outside the cup are equal. The pressure of the air outside the cup is now greater than the pressure inside the cup, and the tissue stays in its place. So friends, if you liked this video, like, share and subscribe Science with Ayazullah, and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss the notification whenever I upload a new video.